Hello everyone, amateur meteorologist. First and weather here. It is January 5th, 2021, or 2022 rather, and we have another wintry weather event to talk about for the Mid-Atlantic and also the Northeast, but I'll be focusing primarily on Central Virginia for this video, but this one definitely does not look like to be as big a deal as the event we had on Monday, but regardless, it is something to talk about, and let's get right into it. So this right here is the NAM 3 kilometer model. This is the 0Z run. Right now we're valid for 10Z Thursday. As we go through time, you can see that you have a nice little wave developing or low pressure system forming, some pretty good snows. And then as this goes to the east, it's going to go it's going to travel northeast because we don't really have any sort of blocking to keep this from going traveling west-east. Rather, it's going to go in this western northeasterly fashion. And then because of that, we're going to transition sort of to this rain-snow mix with rain up north, and then mostly snow for the northern portions of the state. If we look at the snowfall totals for this particular model is showing, you can see it shows pretty good snows actually for the northern part of the state, 3, 4, maybe 5 inches in spots. Really good snows out here in the mountains, and again, a little banding up here as the storm intensifies, and you can see a very sharp cutoff. You go from 2, 3 inches to almost to nothing, right along I-64, along those major population centers, and right through Central Virginia. Now, if we look at a different model, let's say the HER, you can see it's a bit different. If we look at the 18Z or the 0Z run, you can see that it has the snow going a bit further south, impacting Central Virginia just a bit more. And so what it has for snowfall is about 2, 3 inches for Central Virginia, with a wide swath of 1 to 3 to maybe even 4 inches up north. Same thing with the RGEM pretty much. It is one of the warmer models right now. As you can see, it shows almost nothing again for Central Virginia and about 1 to 3 inches for Northern Virginia, and a bit more in the New Jersey region as the system pulls off to the north. One thing that can be said about this system is that it's going to be a very quick mover. There's nothing really upstream to prevent it from moving fast, so it's going to be moving very quickly. The snow is not going to be extremely heavy, much different from Monday's system where we had very intense convective banding in Central and Northern Virginia. This is going to be very different. If we look at the European Ensemble snowfall forecast, you can see that, again, it shows about 1 to 3 inches up here with the cutoff happening right over the Richmond metro region. Now, one thing I do want to show you guys is the temperature profile. This is not going to be a very cold event. Previously, it was looking like this would be sort of a high snow ratio event, 15-to-1 ratios, but again, the trend has really been for a more northeasterly track, pushing in warmer air from the Atlantic Ocean. And that should allow for the temperatures to stay right around the freezing mark to actually above the freezing mark for a majority of this event in the central portion of the state, while temperatures in Northern Virginia stay quite below freezing. So for areas up here, there really is potential for quite a bit more snow, 1 to 3 inches, maybe even 4 inches in spots, but with less snow down south. So here is my snowfall forecast for Central Virginia and the general state of Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, and the Mid-Atlantic. You can see that I have this less than 1 inch zone for this region right here. This includes the county of Henrico, city of Richmond, northern portions of Chesterfield. Then above that, I have a very broad 1 to 3 inch zone, and I think this might actually go up to 4 inches, but maybe about 2 to 4 inches based on what I'm seeing right now. And then again, in these purple regions, as that storm pulls off, I think we're going to see some banding developing here. 3 to 6 inches of snow looks possible, with 3 to 7 inches of snow in this area right here. Now, beyond that, things do turn a bit interesting. If we go to the national view, we can see that we have this little trough coming through, and then after that, we have a brief warm-up for the 8th and 9th. And after that, another blast of cold air. And then after that, the GFS model or ensemble wants to develop a really sort of stormy look for the 16th and 17th. You have a nice little area of below average heights off the east coast. This would indicate a low right here. You have a positive PNA. If we go to the global view, you can see that we have, or North American view, we can see that we have a negative EPO, positive PNA, negative NAO, negative AO, and this could really be something to watch. I think it is definitely an interesting look. You have very good cross-polar flow, active subtropical jet, pumping in moisture, so this could be something to watch for sure. Right now, we have to get through this upcoming system on Thursday night into Friday. Again, not really a big deal at all. 1 to 3 inches. Some spots may be lucky if they hit 4, and then 3 to 6 inches in these purple regions. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Pretty quick and sweet. I just wanted to give you a pretty basic rundown of what I'm expecting for Thursday night into Friday. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.